Hey, it's Sandy. Happy 2017, everyone. We are back with another full year of everything nails. So if you haven't subscribed already, hit that red button below. In today's video, Miri and I will be sharing with you 10 super easy and cute nail art designs that are perfect for beginners. Which of these 10 designs is your favorite? Let us know down in the comments. As always, begin your manicure with a good base coat. A base coat does a lot of great things for your nails, the first being of course that it protects your natural nails from staining, but it also helps to adhere the nail polish you apply on top of it. The first design that we have is a super cute and easy dotacure design in an X pattern. To start this design, begin by painting your nail with a pastel yellow polish. Then you will need a small dotting tool. So dip that dotting tool into a blob of red polish, and then dot a big X across your nail. See, it's pretty easy so far. Then just dip your dotting tool into a light pink polish and fill in the 4 triangles with some dots. Make sure to line up these dots so that the finished look is neat and tidy. And there you go, a super easy design that's really cool to look at. Number 2 is a cute dotted flower design that's made with a bobby pin. First, paint your nails using a light sky blue polish. Once that's dried, you'll need a bobby pin. This is an easy tool to use to create dots on your nails if you don't have a dotting tool. Just pull the 2 ends apart and it's ready to use. We're going to be making daisies for our flowers, so we're dipping the dotting tool, bobby pin, into white polish to make the petals. This is super easy to do, just create 5 dots around in a circle for the flowers, and then go ahead and add a few more. Then you'll want to add the centers to the middle of the flowers. We chose this really pretty shimmery metallic gold and we dotted it into the centers. Super cute and perfect for an accent nail. The third design is an upside down French tip. This super chic design can be made so easily. Begin by painting your nail with a pastel pink polish. Then you'll need this polish to be completely dried on the nail, so add a fast drying top coat over it. The trick to making this design easy is to use a circle band-aid. Peel off the backing and then place it over your dried nail, leaving a few millimeters of nail showing at the top. Press it down firmly and then paint a bright pink polish by the cuticle. Quickly peel off the band-aid and you will be left with a perfect line. Clean up any excess polish around your skin with acetone and a small paintbrush, and you're left with a cute and chic design. Number 4, an easy color block French tip. To begin this nail art design, you first need to paint your nail using a pastel purple polish. Yes, we are using a lot of pastels here today. Next, swipe a metallic polish diagonally across the tip of your nail. Make sure to get the side of your nail and don't worry about getting polish on your skin. You can easily clean it up after. Then swipe a dark purple in the opposite direction. Again, you can clean up any polish on your skin with a small brush dipped into nail polish remover. And there you go, really pretty and really easy. Up next is an adorable strawberry nail design which will have you dreaming of summer. Begin this design by painting your nail with a strawberry red nail polish. Once that's dry, you will need a toothpick. Toothpicks are great for nail art because they can create really tiny dots on your nails. Dip the toothpick into yellow polish and then add some seeds over your nail. Make sure to line up the dots so you're left with a clean and neat look. To create the leaves, all you need to use is the toothpick again. Just dip it into bright green polish and then create 3 little triangles coming down from your cuticle. This is a super cute design and we hope that you'll give it a try. Our next design is perfect for parties or formal occasions. This glitter gradient is made with nothing but 2 bottles of nail polish. To begin, paint your nail with a light pink polish, wait a couple minutes for it to dry, and then you'll need the second bottle of nail polish, which is a chunky gold glitter. Swipe 1 coat of the glitter polish halfway down your nail, try to focus the smaller pieces being down towards your cuticle, then add a second layer of glitter to the very tip. This will create the gradient effect. Go ahead and switch up these colors to match your outfit or your dress for your next perfect party manicure. This next nail art is a negative space design with a glitter base. Begin by painting your nail with a clear polish that has tiny shimmery glitter in it. Next, you will need some clear tape. Rip off a piece of tape and then use scissors to cut the clear tape into 2 long and thin triangles. Add these 2 pieces over your dried nail like so, and then paint a coat of bright nail polish over it. Quickly remove the pieces of tape, and then clean up around the edges of your nail. You can also use the brush to fix up any of the lines to make them straight. This is a really cool and trendy look. Up next is a classic color block nail. To create this nail art design, we are going to be using 3 different shades of blue. Paint your nail with the lightest shade, and then add a fast-drying top coat over it so it will be completely dried. This is so that the tape we apply over it won't rip off our base color. Break off a piece of tape and then cut it in half so you have 2 squares. Add those over your nail like so. Press it on firmly to the dried nail, and then paint in your 2 remaining blue polishes. Make sure you've used enough polish so that the squares are opaque. And then quickly remove the clear tape. All done! Another really fun and easy design that would look amazing using all kinds of different color combinations. Up next, we're going to show you how to create a dry brush design. Begin by painting your nail with a light orange polish. Next, take a medium orange polish and wipe the majority of the polish off of it by using a piece of paper. Wipe the remaining polish off of the brush onto the nail in both vertical and horizontal directions. Then use a coral polish, wipe off the brush onto paper like before, and add some more dry brush strokes over your nail to create some depth. There you go, a gorgeous and abstract design. The 10th design is a diagonal color block with a dotted line, which kind of reminds me of a string of pearls. Begin your nail with a light periwinkle blue polish. Top coat it as we did before, and then add a strip of tape diagonally across the nail. Add in a darker periwinkle polish, and then quickly remove the tape. Next, you're going to want to dip a small dotting tool into some white polish, and then add a line of dots across the diagonal. All done! And now for the very final step, make sure you apply a fast-drying top coat over all of your nails. This will seal in your designs and add a beautiful shine to your nails. If you loved this ultimate guide, then please hit that like button to support us, and if you have any video requests, we'd love to hear them, so please leave us a comment below. To watch more nail videos here on CutePolish, click the info card, and if you want to check out Miri's personal channel, click the link in the description box below. Take care, and I'll see you next time!